Alright, looking at it, pulling it out. Okay, there's a piece. Let's see here. Ooh, sticker. I like that. This is everything you're gonna get when you open it. Come on out. Wow, that's what I'm talking about. That's an actual 50 cal round. God damn, imagine getting hit with that. Whew. That is beautiful. Alright, so here's my old antenna. All nice and bent. Looks like shit. So I'm just taking my tool here. I'm literally just doing this until I get it loose enough to just use my hand. See this? It just comes up. Like I said, that piece pops right off. Okay, you guys didn't have to take that off. I did just because I wanted to clean around it. The only thing you gotta do is just twist your antenna off. Very easy. Now I'm gonna install this next. Here's how big the screw is that I'm gonna have to use. That's a fatter one. It comes with two of them. Alright, here it is. See how I got the two different sizes? I'm gonna have to use the big one. Here's a nice little safety warning for you. If you put the wrong one on, you will have to place a new order. Damn. So again, I'm just looking at my old antenna. Clearly this guy is too small, so I'm not gonna use that. This one, just right. So that's what I'm gonna put in here. Alright, so there it is. I put the red in there, and I'm leaving the yellow one to put into my truck. So let's go put it on. Alright, here we go. So I'm just screwing it in. Screwing it in. Really tight. Just making sure I get it on there really good. And there we go. Looks good. I like it. Definitely gonna repaint my piece again and get that matching this so it looks a lot better. But that is nice. And that's how you install a Ronin bullet antenna, guys. Very, very easy. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit that subscribe and like button. Appreciate it.